here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you, we're going to count back. We're going to do a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. I'm going to give you the number 5. You're going to give me the 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Are we ready?
Yes!
All right, here we go.
Is it over there?
Camera, no, it's going to go across.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You see,
Oh, it's right there.
loud enough. We'll do this again.
Oh, we weren't loud enough. Sorry, we weren't loud enough, guys.
All right, here we go. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. That's a wall, babe.
No, we weren't loud enough. We gotta get louder. Can you keep going? I'm gonna be pissed if it does it again.
Hey, Robo, are we ready?
For Rodo.
Here we go. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, fire! I'm annoyed. I'm seriously annoyed.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Some girls yell. Oh! No, yeah, baby. Yeah. Again.
Do you know Robosaurus was the one who led it?
All right, here we go. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, It's so big, I couldn't fit it in the computer. That was it. That was it. Good night. Blanket, blanket, grab the blanket. Wasn't it?